What if I told you that there's a much better, much faster way to write your help articles, which is by using Notion? Now, let me quickly show you how I did this. So we have this custom back and off feature here, which is new and it needs documentation. And ideally, we want to use something like ChatGPT to write up this content for us, so we're a bit faster. Now, there's a couple of ways how we can go about this. For example, I created already a little explainer video. What I could do now, I could just go here into this video that I've already published here on YouTube, and I could go into the transcription here. Basically just copy paste this entire transcription code, post it in ChatGPT and ask it to summarize it into a nice help article. The way that I did it is a little bit different. We already also have a GitHub repo for a demo project on how to use this custom back and off feature. It's a bit technical and I've already written a little bit about it, but it's nowhere near like a real full-fledged help article. So what I basically did, I just copy pasted this entire section here. Then I pasted it into ChatGPT and I just prompted it, hey, from a Notion to Help Center SaaS, I've just created a new feature to get access to HelpKit knowledge base. And then I just basically just dumped the content in here and asked it for a nice markdown output. And it basically created this, which is almost already what I wanted. I then back down here, prompted it with a little bit more. I gave it a few screenshots of my app and asked it to just also incorporate this in the documentation. And then it just came out with a full-fledged markdown output. All I needed to do is copy this entire text and then go to Notion. Now, this is our help center. It fully lives inside Notion, inside our company's Notion's workspace. And I have a section here called Protected Access. And in here, I already have this new article called How to Set Up a Custom Backend Authentication for Your HelpKit site. But basically what I did, I just created a new page here. I gave it a title, How to Set Up Custom Auth. And I go in here, and I basically, the magic with using ChatGPT and the markdown output that also Notion supports, just copy paste and off we go. Now, you might need to do a little bit of adjustments here. Just go in, make sure that everything is copy pasted fine. And that's basically it. All you then have to do is go to HelpKit, click sync, and then it will be published on your HelpKit Help Center site. Now, this is the public-facing HelpKit Help Center site that derives its data from the Notion template you just saw. And if we go down here to Protected Access, we can see this new help article here, and that's basically it. We get this beautiful table of contents here, and then all of the content that we've basically almost just copy pasted in here. And that's it. That's all we need to do. There's no need for fumbling around in a weird CMS that you don't really know. You just use Notion, paste the markdown file in here, and you basically have a full-fledged documentation for your new feature for your SaaS in like minutes. This all took me like maybe 15 minutes max. And I finally can go on with my day and keep on shipping new features instead of fumbling around with old help center software that doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you want to check out HelpKit, you can simply go to helpkit.so, check out the landing page, learn for yourself, and sign up for a free trial.